Make money online without showing your face in 2026. If you've been searching for how to make money online without showing your face in 2026, then you're in the right place. Because one of the biggest misconceptions people have about making money online is that you need to become an influencer, build a personal brand, post selfies every day, or constantly be on camera. The reality is that some of the fastest growing content creators and affiliate marketers today are completely anonymous. Nobody knows who they are. Nobody knows what they look like. Yet they're generating traffic, followers, leads, and affiliate commissions every single day. And thanks to AI tools, faceless content, and short-form video platforms, it's easier than ever for complete beginners to get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online without showing your face, how faceless content works, why it's exploding right now, and how beginners are using AI tools and affiliate marketing to build online income streams. Stay until the end because I'll also show you the biggest mistakes beginners make, how to scale faster, and how to shortcut the learning curve using ready-made content and automation tools. Before we jump in, if you want instant access to the exact AI tools, Faceless Reels library, training, templates, dashboards, and business-in-a-box system I mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, passive income strategies, and making money online, make sure you subscribe right now because I post new tutorials every week. Let's dive in. So first of all, why do so many people want to make money online without showing their face? The answer is simple: privacy. Many people don't want friends, family members, co-workers, clients, or employers watching their content. Others simply don't enjoy being on camera. Some people feel uncomfortable speaking publicly, and some people just prefer staying anonymous. The good news is that none of those things prevent you from building an online business anymore. In fact, faceless content has become one of the biggest opportunities online. Now let's talk about what faceless content actually is. Faceless content is any type of content where the creator never appears on camera. Instead of filming yourself, you use stock footage, AI-generated visuals, motivational clips, text animations, slideshows, screen recordings, charts, tutorial footage, AI voiceovers, and ready-made short-form videos. The audience consumes the content without ever seeing the creator. That's why faceless content is growing so rapidly. Now let's talk about why faceless content works so well in 2026. Because social media platforms are hungry for content. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. These platforms need content creators. And because they need content creators, they're willing to push videos from brand new accounts. That means you don't need a huge audience. You don't need thousands of followers. And you don't need celebrity status. You simply need content. That's one of the biggest reasons faceless content has become such a massive opportunity. Now let's talk about one of the easiest business models for making money online without showing your face: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is incredibly simple. You recommend products or services. People click your affiliate links. If they buy, you earn commissions. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, no product creation. You simply connect people with offers. And because short-form content can generate massive reach, affiliate marketing pairs perfectly with faceless content. Now let's talk about the content itself, because most beginners get stuck here. They immediately ask, what should I post? How do I create videos? What niche should I choose? What if I don't have experience? This is where AI changes everything. Today, AI can help generate video ideas, scripts, hooks, captions, voiceovers, titles, descriptions, and even complete faceless videos. What used to take hours can now take minutes. And honestly, creators using AI today have a huge advantage over those who aren't. Now, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people searching for ways to make money online without showing their face. And don't forget to subscribe, because I have many more tutorials coming on AI, affiliate marketing, faceless content, YouTube Shorts, and making money online. Now let's talk about niches, because choosing the right niche is important. Some of the best niches for faceless content include motivation, business, finance, affiliate marketing, AI tools, productivity, success stories, self-improvement, health, entrepreneurship. These niches have strong demand and attract highly engaged audiences. That's why many successful faceless creators focus on these categories. Now let's talk about one of the biggest assets beginners can use: ready-made content. Inside the platform linked in the pinned comment, there are over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels available. Think about how much time that saves. Most beginners spend hours creating one video. Instead, you can start posting immediately. This dramatically shortens the learning curve and allows you to focus on consistency. If you want access to the same reels and AI tools, click the link in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about one of the biggest secrets successful creators use: repurposing. Most beginners think they need unique content for every platform. That's not true. One video can be posted to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. One video, 4 traffic sources, 4 opportunities to generate views, 4 opportunities to generate clicks, and 4 opportunities to generate commissions. That's why content repurposing is so powerful. Now let's talk about daily workflow, because honestly, most people overcomplicate this. A beginner workflow might look like this: log into the dashboard, choose a faceless reel, generate a hook with AI, generate a caption, upload across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat daily. That's it. Simple consistency. Most successful creators aren't doing anything magical. They're simply showing up every day. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people fail. They spend too much time consuming content and not enough time creating it. They watch tutorials, they watch success stories, they compare tools, they compare strategies, but they never actually post. Meanwhile, successful creators are learning through action. Every upload teaches them something. Every reel improves their skills. Every video provides feedback. That's why action beats perfection every single time. Now let's talk about scaling, because eventually you'll want to grow. The easiest way to scale is post more content, test more hooks, expand to more platforms, create additional pages, target additional niches, build more traffic sources. And because AI handles much of the content creation process, scaling becomes much easier than most people think. Some creators run multiple faceless pages simultaneously. Each page becomes another traffic source. Each traffic source becomes another opportunity for affiliate commissions. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. Can you make money online without showing your face? Absolutely. Can faceless content generate traffic? Absolutely. Can affiliate marketing generate commissions? Absolutely. But like any business model, success comes from consistency. The creators getting results today didn't quit after 1 week. They didn't quit after 10 videos. They kept posting. They kept learning. They kept improving. And eventually momentum started working in their favor. That's why I always tell beginners, don't focus on perfection. Focus on progress, because progress compounds. Now let's talk about the future. AI is getting better every month. Content creation is becoming easier. Automation is becoming more powerful. And beginners today have access to tools that didn't exist just a few years ago. That's why I believe faceless content and affiliate marketing remain one of the biggest opportunities available in 2026. The people who start now have a massive advantage over those who wait another year. Remember, you don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a huge audience. You simply need content, consistency, and the willingness to learn. Now, before we wrap up, if you're serious about learning how to make money online without showing your face and want access to the exact AI tools, Faceless Reels library, dashboards, templates, training, landing pages, and automation systems mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now. That's where you can get instant access and start today. Also, make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting more tutorials about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you rather build a faceless channel or a personal brand? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.